children, welcome to my class. I am Taruna Chaube. I am going to teach you from Moral Science. Page number 7, Chapter 2, Defend Your Country. So children, defend your country means अपने देश की रक्षा करना. हमें अपने देश की रक्षा करनी चाहिए. Listen, my dear children, we are proud of the patriotism of our soldiers. Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri called them Jawans. They serve the country with courage and dedication. So, we are also safe and secure. So, children, हमें अपने देश की रक्षा कैसे करनी चाहिए? Let's see in the chapter. The armed forces of India are Army, Navy and Air Force. The Army defends the land and the borders of our country. The Navy defends the coastal area of our country. The Air Force defends the airspace of our country. So, your heart may say, I will serve my country in the armed forces. Then you may be the hero. India is waiting for you. It is not only men who serve in the armed forces. Women are also very important members of the army, the navy, the air force. There are women soldiers, pilots, engineers, etc. working in the armed forces. The armed forces even produced an astronaut. We watch on television the Republic Day parade of the armed forces and parliamentary forces. The president receives their salute. They march with perfect rhythm, precision and time. The parade is a show of strength and character of the nation, a matter of pride and enlightenment for the people. It is a noble profession, so build a strong body and an alert mind. You can be a part of the Indian Armed Forces and become the savior of your motherland. All students write in your moral science notebook. Exercise. First question, fill in the blanks with suitable words from brackets. First one, the soldiers serve our country with dedication, courage, fear. Correct one, dedication, courage. Second, the dash is the supreme commander of the armed forces. Option is Field Marshal, Prime Minister, President of India. Correct one, President of India. Third, punctuality, precision and dash are some of the values that you learn from the Jawans. Option in discipline, discipline, honesty, and correct one is discipline, honesty. Fourth, the armed forces have engineers, doctors, computer, wizards and dash. Option scientists, field workers, drivers. Correct one, scientists. Second question, take the qualities of the armed forces of India. Given discipline, obedience, strength of character, healthy body, punctuality, respect for authority, careless behavior, hard work. Now, the answer, discipline, obedience, strength of character, healthy body, punctuality, respect for authority, hard work is the qualities of the armed forces. Careless behavior is not correct. Third, answer the questions. Here is only one question. How can we prove that the armed forces of India are one of the best disciplined soldiers? Answer 1. The armed forces of India are one of the best disciplined soldiers in the world. We can prove in the Republic Day parade. They march with perfect rhythm, precision and time. So students, today's class is over. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.